first disease of bajra is downy mildew or green ear disease. Green ear disease or downy mildew is caused by Sclerospora graminicola. It is the fungi. Write some symptoms caused by downy mildew disease on bajra plants. Caused by Sclerospora graminicola, downy mildew or green ear disease. Leaf chlorosis start at the base of the leaf. Successively higher leaves have more chlorosis. Higher leaves have more chlorosis. Chlorotic leaves support abundant white asexual sporulation of the fungi on lower sides of leaves. Severely infected plants are stunted and don't produce panicles. Transformation of floral parts into leafy structures that lead to formation of green ear symptoms. So leaf chlorosis start at the base of the leaves. Successively the higher leaves have the more chlorosis. Chlorotic leaves support abundant white asexual sporulation of the fungi on the lower surface of leaves. Severely infected plants are stunted and don't produce the panicles. Transformation of floral parts into leafy structure that leads to the formation of green ear symptoms. So this disease is called as green ear disease. Leaf chlorosis is occurred in which disease of bajra? Leaf chlorosis is occurred in downy mildew or green ear disease of bajra. What are the disease etiologies or disease propagules in downy mildew of bajra? Fungal mycelium, sporangiophores that produce sporangia, and oospores. Three types of disease etiologies: fungal mycelium, sporangiophores that produce sporangia, and oospores. Write some characteristics of fungal mycelium of bajra downy mildew disease fungi. Fungal mycelium is systemic, non-septate, and intercellular. It is an intercellular mycelium, non-septate and systemic. Write some characteristics of the sporangiophores produced by bajra downy mildew fungi. Sporangiophores are short, color is hyaline, arise by stomata and branch irregularly. Infect stalk bearing the sporangia. Color is hyaline, short, arise by the stomata and branch irregularly. Infect the stalk bearing sporangia. Write some characteristics of the oospores produced by bajra downy mildew fungi. The shape of oospores are round and it is surrounded or covered by. What are the favorable conditions or disease epidemiologies of downy mildew of bajra? Favorable conditions or disease epidemiologies are high relative humidity, that is 90%, low temperature 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, presence of water on the bajra leaves. High relative humidity 90%, low temperature 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, presence of water on bajra leaves. For how many times the oospores produced by the bajra downy mildew fungi can be remained in the soil? For more than 5 years. For more than 5 years, the oospores can be remained in the soil in case of downy mildew fungi of bajra. What are the sources of both primary and secondary infections of downy mildew of bajra? Primary source of infection is oospores caused on the seedlings. Primary infection is caused on the seedlings by the oospores. Secondary source of infection is sporangiophores that bearing the sporangia in the rainy season, produced in the rainy season. So primary infection is caused by oospores on the seedlings and secondary infection is caused by sporangiophores bearing sporangia that is produced in the rainy season. Write some management practices to control downy mildew of bajra. Oospores are round in shape. Rogue out infected bajra plants. Use resistant or bajra varieties against this disease, downy mildew. Treat the seeds with metalaxyl at the rate 6 gram per kg of seeds. Use any chemicals like metalaxyl plus mancozeb at the rate 500 gram per hectare or mancozeb at the rate 1000 gram per hectare. Metalaxyl plus mancozeb, only metalaxyl or mancozeb. What are the chemical compounds that are used to control previously? Who and when first reported downy mildew of bajra? E.J. Butler first reported downy mildew of bajra in 1907. Who reported downy mildew of bajra first? E.J. Butler in 1907. Ergot or sugary disease of bajra. It is caused by Claviceps fusiformis or Claviceps microcephala. So ergot or sugary disease of bajra is caused by Claviceps fusiformis or Claviceps microcephala. In which part of India ergot of bajra or sugary disease of bajra was first reported? In South India. In which parts of India ergot of bajra occurs every year? Now both in South and North India, ergot or sugary disease of bajra is occurred every year. What is the special characteristic symptoms by which we can identify ergot or sugary disease of bajra? The small droplets of honeydew formation on the infected spikelets of bajra. Small droplets of honeydew formation on the infected spikelets. So what is the inflorescence of bajra? Spikelets. Write some symptoms of damage symptoms ergot disease of bajra, sugary disease. Formation of small droplets of light pinkish color, light pinkish or brownish colored honeydew is formed on the infected spikelets of the plant. After 10 to 15 days of infection, the droplets become hard and dry. Small greyish black sclerotia are formed in the place of seeds on the panicles. So formation of small droplets of light pinkish or brownish colored honeydew is formed on the infected spikelets of the plant. After 10 to 15 days of infection, the droplets become hard and dry. Small greyish black color is greyish black color. Small sclerotia is formed in the place of seeds on the panicles. What are the disease etiologies or infection propagules of ergot or sugary disease of bajra? Septate fungal mycelium that produce conidiophores. Conidiophores again produce conidia, and the third is the sclerotia. So first is the three types of etiologies. First is the septate fungal mycelium. This septate fungal mycelium produce the second etiology, that is conidiophores. Conidiophores produce conidia, and the third etiology is sclerotia. Write some characteristics about the sclerotia produced by ergot of bajra causing fungi. Small, round in shape, color is dark brownish black outside or greyish black, but inside is white. Sclerotia are formed on the panicles in the place of seeds. Sclerotia are larger than the seeds, arranged irregularly and gets mixed with the bajra grains during the threshing. Sclerotia can remain viable for 6 to 8 months in the soil and cause primary infection. So sclerotia is small, shape is round, color is dark brownish black or greyish black in the outside and inside is white in color. Sclerotia are formed on the panicles in the place of seeds. Sclerotia replace the seeds. Sclerotia are larger than the seeds, arranged irregularly and gets mixed with the bajra grains during the threshing process. Sclerotia can remain viable for 6 to 8 months in the soil and cause primary infection. For how many times the sclerotia produced by bajra, ergot causing fungi in bajra can be remained in the soil for 6 to 8 months. What are the primary and secondary sources of infection in case of ergot or sugary disease of bajra? Primary source of infection, germinating sclerotia in the soil, and secondary source of infection is airborne conidia. Write the names of chemical compounds that are used to reduce the infection of ergot of bajra. Application of carbendazim @ 500 gram per hectare, or mancozeb @ 2 kg per hectare of seeds, or Ziram @ 1 kg per hectare on 5 to 10% and 50% flowering stage. Carbendazim or mancozeb or Ziram you can apply 5 to 10% or 50% of flowering stage. At which bajra crop growth stage chemical compounds under chemical control are applied to control ergot of bajra? At 5 to 10% or 50% of flowering stage of crop growth. In how many time the honeydew produced on infected spikelets in ergot of bajra gets dry and hard? Approx 10 to 15 days after the infection. The third disease of bajra is the smart. Smart disease is caused by Toliposporium penicilliari. Toliposporium penicilliari is confined to the sorus. Toliposporium penicilliari. Damage symptoms, florets become plump sori. This plump sori produce millions of black smart spore balls. Plump sori have smart spores in the groups. These plump sori are larger than the normal healthy grains of bajra. These plump sori are not easy to separate. When these plump sori become mature, they become dark brown in color. So damage symptoms caused by Toliposporium penicilliari, caused by the smart causing fungi. This fungi is confined to sorus. Florets become plump sori. Plump sori produce millions of black smart spore balls, have smart spores in the groups. Plump sori are larger than the normal healthy grains of bajra. These are not easy to separate. When the plump sori gets mature, they become dark brown in color. Primary spread or infection of smart disease by Germinating sclerotia that remains viable in the soil for 6 to 8 months. Sclerotia can be remain viable in the soil for 6 to 8 months, and secondary spread is by airborne conidia and insects. Two types of sources: airborne conidia and insects. Management practices: cultural, removal and destruction of affected ear heads. Removal and destruction of affected ear heads. You can remove the ear heads of bajra. Use resistant varieties. Resistant varieties like SSC PS 252 S4 ICI. Second is ICI 7517 S1. SSC PS 252 S4 ICI 7517 S1. Under chemical control, spray carboxin or carbendazim or captafol at the rate 0.2% at initial flowering stage. Spray chemical at the initial flowering stage, carboxin or carbendazim or captafol at the rate 0.2%. The fourth and the last disease of bajra is the rust. Rust is caused by Parxinia peniceti or Parxinia penicetum. It is a macrocyclic fungi. Macrocyclic means various cycles it has. Produce uradial and telial stages on the pearl millet or bajra, and produce axial and pycnidial stages on the brinjal. Produce uradial and telial stages on pearl millet or bajra, and produce axial and pycnidial stages on the brinjal. It is a macrocyclic fungi. Parxinia peniceti or Parxinia penicetum. Damage symptoms: in the severe condition, wilting of leaf tissues and necrosis of leaves from the leaf apex to the base. Wilting of leaf tissues, necrosis of leaves from leaf apex to base. Disease etiology: Uridynia. Two types of etiology: Uridynia and Talia. Uridynia develop on the foliage. Color is reddish brown or reddish orange. Shape is round or elliptical. It is the uridial stage. Talia or talial stage: Uridynia are replaced by the talia in the latter stages. Color is black. Shape is elliptical, subepidermal. Uridynia and talia. Color is reddish brown or reddish orange. Shape is round or elliptical. Develop on the foliage. Uridial stage, talia or talial stage. Uridynia replaced by the talia in the latter stages. Color is black. Shape is elliptical. Talia is subepidermal. Epidemiology: closer spacing and presence of abundant brinjal plants. The alternate host of rust-causing fungi of bajra or Parxinia penicetum or Parxinia peniceti is the brinjal plants. So it is also the disease epidemiology: closer spacing and presence of abundance of brinjal plants. The primary source of spread is uridospores, and secondary source of spread is uradial stages of penicetum fungi. These uradial stages of penicetum fungi has been observed in several other crop species. So primary source of spread is uridospores and secondary source of spread is uradial stages of penicetum fungi. Management practices: cultural and chemical management practice. Cultural: sowing of bajra in the December to May months range. It reduces the disease incidence. Sowing of bajra in December to May. Chemical: under chemical spray wettable sulfur at the rate 3 kg per hectare or mancozeb at the rate 2 kg per hectare. Wettable sulfur or mancozeb.